This video explains how to buy shares of Instalco AB, a Nordic technical installation company focused on HVAC, plumbing, and electrical services, which trades on CBOE under the ticker Instal.ST. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Instal.ST to find Instalco's listing. Make sure you select the CBOE entry to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and a price chart for Instal.ST. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Instal.ST share. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued to execute when it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.